Charades. It's a game we play very often for Christmas. Charades is to use the body language to act out a word, and other people have to guess which word it is. 我先来, I will start.
Christmas tree.
圣诞树。
非常好，圣诞树。好，下一个，page.
Oh, okay. Yes. Can I use prop? Is that allowed?
圣诞袜。
Cheating?
圣诞袜。
Cheating.
Christmas socks.
Christmas socks.
Is that socks?
圣诞袜。
Yeah. Maybe I cheated. I just, without thinking, I just grabbed my shoe.
好，下一个 Michelle，下一个 Michelle。
OK。Santa。
圣诞老人。
Santa。
圣诞老人。
圣诞老人。
Santa。非常好。下一个 Clementine。
哆来咪，哆来咪。
Carol。
圣诞歌，圣诞歌，
圣诞歌。
圣诞歌。OK。